From managing massive datasets to extracting actionable insights, step into the engine room of modern data architecture. This course is designed to equip professionals and aspiring data experts with the skills to work confidently in the big data ecosystem using Hadoop, the backbone of distributed data processing. You'll explore the Hadoop framework, HDFS, MapReduce, and ecosystem tools like Hive, Pig, Scoop, Flume, and HBase. Through hands-on labs and real-world projects, you'll learn to store, process, and analyze data at scale, making you job-ready for roles in data engineering, analytics, and enterprise-level data management. With industries generating more data than ever, big data professionals are in high demand across sectors like finance, retail, healthcare, telecom, and IT. Roles such as big data engineer, Hadoop developer, and data architect are among the most sought after in the data domain. By the end of the course, you'll not only understand the core components of Hadoop, but also gain practical experience in building big data pipelines and workflows. Get ready to master the tools that power data at scale and take your place in one of the fastest growing tech fields.